In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email forwarding in Proton Mail using Google Chrome. Whether you're looking to streamline your email management or ensure you never miss an important message, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and straightforward. So let's get started by logging into your Proton Mail account using the Chrome browser. First, open Chrome and navigate to the Proton Mail website. Once there, enter your email and password to log in securely. Make sure you're using a secure connection, especially if you're doing this on a public network. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where all your emails are visible. Next, we'll head into the settings to set up email forwarding. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a gear icon. Click on it to open the settings menu. This menu is where you can customize various aspects of your email account, but today, we'll focus on forwarding. Scroll down or look for the option labeled filters or forwarding. Depending on your setup or any recent updates, it might be one or the other, but you're in the right place. Once you're in the filters or forwarding section, you'll see an option that says add a forwarding address. Click on this option. It's where the magic begins. Now, you'll need to enter the email address to which you want your messages forwarded. Be careful to type it correctly so there are no issues with receiving your forwarded emails. Upon entering the desired email, some users might be prompted to verify this forwarding address. If your account settings require verification, Proton Mail will send a confirmation email to the address you've just entered. You'll need to access that email, possibly in a second tab or device, and click on the verification link provided. This ensures that the forwarding address is valid and belongs to you. After you've verified the forwarding address, head back to the Proton Mail settings. Now it's time to enable automatic forwarding for your incoming mails. You should see a toggle switch or button that allows you to activate this feature. Go ahead and enable it. This will ensure that every new email you receive will automatically be sent to the specified forwarding address. And there you have it. You've successfully set up email forwarding in Proton Mail using Google Chrome. With this setup, you can rest easy knowing that your important emails are conveniently forwarded to your chosen inbox, wherever it may be. Remember, this process not only helps in managing multiple email accounts, but also keeps you connected even when